Luminous, the multicolor illuminated keypad system, patented by SCHURTER, can provide significant advantages for your applications. Keys, frames, symbols, fields, and text are illuminated precisely and evenly. When reaching defined values, for example filling levels, volume, or brightness, this can be indicated by a color change in the illumination of the keys. The status of the device function in use can be visualized with well-known color signals. The daylight design with white LEDs and the night design, mostly with blue LEDs, can be customized according to your requirements. Design your colors and shapes with SCHURTER. We would be delighted to assist you with the realization of your projects. We look forward to receiving your inquiry.